This is a look at the Lezyne Strip Drive Pro Alert rear bike light. The light is constructed from a black rubber shell with a red plastic lens extending to the clips on the side of the unit. On the top there is a small power button, and on the bottom, under the rubber flap, there's a micro USB port used for charging. The package also includes a micro USB cable for charging, along with a rubber plug that allows the light to mount to a wider variety of seat posts and fits into the groove to provide extra stability. Also included with the package is the rubber mounting strap to secure the light into place. It attaches to the light using the two clips on the side and keeps the light firmly strapped to the bike, even over loose and bumpy terrain. The unique shape of the light allows it to be mounted to both regular and aero seat posts with ease, although for some seat posts the included rubber strap might be a tight fit. In this case, you might be better off using a bubble or a rubber band to secure the light instead. The battery level of the light is displayed using a combination of the two red and green LEDs visible on the side of the unit, and can be triggered by quickly pressing the power button on the top. To power on the light, it's as simple as holding the power button on the top of the unit until the LEDs illuminate. The light includes 5 flash modes that can be cycled between by pressing the power button, all of which have varying flash patterns and different lumen outputs, as described by the annotations on the screen. And similarly, to power off the light, hold the power button until the LEDs turn off. This next section of the video demonstrates some real-world usage of the light. So there are 4 main points of interest for the alert function: general braking, roundabouts, junction and traffic lights, and sudden stops. The next few clips will demonstrate the alert function of the light. So firstly, we're looking at general braking. As you can see, when the brakes are applied and you begin to slow down, the light glows solid red regardless of what mode the light is set to. Second, we're looking at roundabouts. When you decelerate, even if you don't come to a complete stop, the light still glows red, alerting vehicles behind you that you're slowing down. Third, we're looking at junctions and traffic lights. This example shows the full functionality of the light, showing both a solid red glow for braking and then strobing when you're stopped completely, before returning to the normal flash pattern. And finally, sudden stops. This mode switches from the normal flash pattern directly to the strobe pattern to signify abrupt or harsh deceleration. This helps to alert and grab the attention of other road users around you. An important point to note is that both the solid brake light and the strobing pattern occur at brightnesses above those set by the user. For example, the strobe will always flash at the same brightness regardless of the current flash mode of the light. This could be dazzling for other road users, particularly if running the light at night. This next clip demonstrates the braking and alert strobe function in darkness from a range of about 40 meters. In this case, we're looking at the light with daytime mode selected, with a peak output of 300 lumens. The entire Strip Drive series feature a claimed 270 degrees of visibility, allowing you to stand out even more on the roads. The lights also feature a water-resistant construction, providing greater confidence using the lights in all weather conditions. In summary, the small compact form factor, impressive 300 lumen peak brightness, strong battery life, and built-in alert mode provide all the features cyclists need to stay safe and stay seen on the roads. The braking function of the light is reliable, and the number of false positives in my testing has been low. The 5 modes included on this new Alert Drive model is lower than the 11 modes included with the standard Strip Drive Pro, which is slightly disappointing to see, although in my opinion this alert functionality could make up for this. I've included product links in the description below if you'd like to check out the light. Thanks for watching.